Hi, it's Jim Richardson from Finchloom. I have a quick tip for everybody that uses Microsoft 365 at work, and that means everybody. If you have a login that you use at work for Microsoft 365, listen to this. First of all, in your browser, open a new tab and go to this address, https://myaccount.microsoft.com, and then log in with your work account. You should see some indication that you're logged in at work to a page that's showing you about your login. So this is completely safe to do. It is a completely best practice thing to do, and I'm just letting you know about it. So on this overview page, I want to point out a few of these boxes that are really important. So the first one is security info. Click on update info. Let the page load and show you all the devices and methods that you have set up for your security logins at work. So this will indicate how old your password is, gives you the chance to change it. It shows you which devices that you've set up to use with the authenticator. And if your company allows it, you can set up security questions and security keys for additional security protection. But the key thing is make sure this is up to date and doesn't have old devices that you might have given away or sold. Next, from the overview page, click on the devices area to manage devices. And devices here that you see should be work managed devices. So these should not show your personal devices. These are only devices that have been enrolled in your work organization. So look at these, and if you see anything that doesn't quite fit or doesn't make sense, contact your admin, contact your help desk or your IT department and let them know, send them a screenshot. Hey, I'm seeing these old devices and they're showing inactive. Do I need to do anything? And then they'll take care of that for you. Also, manage organizations. Have you ever been in Microsoft Teams and you click the little switcher up at the top and you see all these organizations that you might have been invited to as a guest at one point or another? I do. And I often get sick of seeing some of these old organizations that I no longer collaborate with. So here you can go into organizations and leave organizations that you no longer work with. So I thought this was a great find. It was a pro tip given to me, and I'm going to share that with you. If you're sick of seeing old organizations you don't collaborate with anymore, leave them. All right, and then the last thing I wanted to show you here on this overview page is the My Sign-ins. Review recent activity and actually see the last 10 to 20 logins that you have made or your account has made. And that's the whole point, is look through this and make sure it's you. Is this a state that you're not living in and you're seeing a bunch of successful logins from New York and you're not using a virtual desktop? Well, that's an issue. So I'm asking you, please look through this. And if you see something that's weird, screenshot it and send it to your IT team. I'm asking you to take the personal responsibility to help safeguard your data, your work, and also your organization. So this was just a quick tip overview of using the MyAccount.microsoft.com page with your work account. Thank you for watching. Stay secure out there. Take care.